I did a little bit of thinking on marketing and marketing strategy for each of the BDS centers, and I wanted to share my thoughts. So each of the BDS centers will have targets, and they're going to be based upon some assumptions. So I'm going to share my assumptions. So the project says you'll serve 10,000 total BDS customers. And of that 10,000, 2520 will be scale up. And the rest, 7480, will be non-scale up customers. And what that means in a monthly breakdown is we have 2.5 years remaining of the project, or 30 months. So if we want monthly targets, I'm going to break that down by 30, and we're going to start in July. So let's look at some math and some of my number assumptions. There are 4 BDS centers. I'm assuming that Addis has a population at least 2 times the size of the other 3 regions. So I'm going to divide the totals into 5 parts and give 2 parts to Addis and 1 part to each of the other BDSs to make up with 10,000 total customers divided by 5 parts. So that's 2,000 per part. If I give 2 parts to Addis, that means you have to serve 4,000 total BDS customers. And I give 1 part to each of the other BDS centers, they have to serve 2,000 BDS customers. So let's look at how that breaks down. There's 2520 scale-up customers divided by 5 parts, which means Addis serves 1,000 total scale-up. The other centers each serve 500 scale-up customers. Now let's look at the other customers. Addis serves 3,000, and each of the other centers will serve 1,500. So how does that break down into monthly targets? We take the totals and we divide by 30 months. And we look at the average monthly target of customers served per BDS. So Addis needs to serve 34 scale-up and 100 non-scale-up customers on average every month. And each of the other regions needs to serve 17 scale-up customers and 50 non-scale-up customers every month. And these have to be new customers. So the big question is, how many people do you need to put in the top of the funnel so that they're aware of the BDS to get those numbers to come out every month at the bottom of the funnel?